Here we have an iPad mini 3 that needs a digitizer connector replacement. I already took the screen out, and digitizer connector is located right over here. So before we do anything, I'm gonna shield the rest of the components on the board so nothing gets affected when we apply heat. Let's grab an FEC connector. iPad mini 1, 2, and 3 share the same FEC connector. Okay, and let's raise the airspeed. And we should be all good. NorthridgeFix?
Yes, I had a question. Do you fix tablets?
Which one?
You say
So let's
Samsung.
go ahead and put the digitizer. LCD. Then connect the battery. Okay, and touch is not working. Now we replaced the digitizer connector because it was damaged, but it could be also the digitizer itself is damaged as well. So let me disconnect the battery, LCD, digitizer, and one more cable. Okay, so we have a Mini 3 here. Okay, so let's try it now. I do not know if the customer's digitizer is faulty or I did not check the pins on it. I mean, it looks okay, unless the cable itself is not good. We'll see. Yeah, so ours is working. I tried to run a jumper wire on the digitizer connector before we changed it today, and it did not work. So the reason it did not work is because the customer's digitizer is faulty. Okay, so if you look, 3, 1, 2, delete, 9, 8, 7, delete, 0, delete. If we rotate, same thing. And digitizer is working. So that's it. The problem was not only the digitizer connector, but it's also the digitizer glass. We'll let the customer know. We can either do it for him or he can do it on his own, but digitizer connector is fixed. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.